Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently started using an Oral-B IO6 toothbrush and are unsure how to properly turn it off, do not worry because the process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes the Oral-B IO6 toothbrush seems to stay active after brushing, while other times users get confused by display lights or settings and wonder if the toothbrush actually powered down. Since the Oral-B IO6 includes smart features and different brushing modes, learning the right way to switch it off can make everyday use feel much smoother. The good part is that once you know the process, turning off the Oral-B IO6 toothbrush becomes quick and simple. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to turn off an Oral-B IO6 toothbrush. Try these. Step 1. Hold the Oral-B IO6 toothbrush comfortably before adjusting power settings. Step 2. Press the power button on the Oral-B IO6 toothbrush once if brushing mode stays active. Step 3. Watch the display on the Oral-B IO6 toothbrush and confirm brushing activity stops completely. Step 4. Wait briefly if the Oral-B IO6 toothbrush shows settings or reminders before shutting down fully. Step 5. Check lights on the Oral-B IO6 toothbrush and confirm they no longer stay active. Step 6. Store the Oral-B IO6 toothbrush safely after confirming it powers off normally.